finally getting to do a little bit of camping, gonna do some hiking. I have my Trekology Inflatable Pillow. Yeah, see, nice and soft like that. But in all reality, you get to blow it up. It's got great fabric, rolls out really nice, super soft, and it's pretty simple. You don't need anything special. It's real interesting little valve they have here. There's a little button. You can hear that. So you just pop that out. Couple puffs like that, and then you can release it and deflate it. You've got a strap here. You've got your green side, got your blue side, and then we want to take a little breather, sit down, rest. I can sit on it, or I can use it as a pillow, however I want to use it, but that's how simple it is. Can't wait to get my hiking going. I'm going to keep this with me.